Hi, this is Sushil from Creative Mind International School. Today I am going to discuss about the question answer of the chapter 4. I am going to discuss about the question answer of the chapter 4. I am going to discuss about the question answer of the chapter. So answer the following question. Answer the following question. Now the first question is, what do you mean by subscript? How will you apply? How will you apply it on the text? How will you apply it on the text? So this is the question. Now the answer of this question is subscript places the selected text slightly below the line of normal printed text below the line of normal printed text. So this is the answer of the first part. What do you mean by subscript? Now the next one is, how will you apply it on the text? How will you apply it on the text? So for the second part, click on from here. Click on, or from here also you can write. Click on subscript. Click on subscript button. Click on subscript button in the font group. On the home tab. So this is the answer of the first question. Now the second question is how will you copy formatting to another selection. How will you copy formatting to another selection? This is the question. So second question is this one. Answer of this question is by using format painter button in the home, by using format painter button in the clipboard. By using format painter button in the clipboard group of the home tab. This is the answer. Now third question is how do we use header and footer options. How do you use header and footer options? So this is the third question. Now the answer of third question is this question is not how do you, why do we use header and footer option. This question is, why do we use header and footer option? So the answer is we use header header and footer options, header and footer options to place. We use header and footer options to place information on the top and bottom in the top and bottom of every page of every page of a document every page of a document. This is the answer, sir, for the third question. Now the next question is, what do you understand by indenting what do you understand by indenting text? What do you understand by indenting text? So answer for the question number 4. It is used to move the complete paragraph. It is used to move the complete paragraph or the first line to it is used to move the complete paragraph or the first line to a specific number of places from left or right. From left or right margin. Right margin. Now the fifth question is what are the default setting of left and what are the default setting of left and right margin? Left and right margins. So the answer of this question is for both left and right margins, for both left and right margins, the default value is 1 1. Now the last question is 6th number. What do you mean by, what do you mean by, what do you understand by, or mean by, do you understand by, what do you understand by print preview, print preview option, print preview option, print preview option. So the answer here is print preview option. It is a option, it is a option that permits, it is a option that permits the user, it is a option that permits the user, it is a option that permits the user to view the document, before printing, before printing a hard copy, before printing a hard copy on the screen. So this is all the question answer that I have discussed. Welcome. So the next one is MCQ question, multiple choice question. Now MCQ, multiple choice question, MCQ question. So this is the MCQ question. Next one is, so first question is find option is used to, find option is used to search, any particular, find option is used to search any particular word or phrase in a document. So the answer here is find. Here is the answer in the first question. If you see the book, 3 options are there: find, search and replaces. The answer here is find, not search and replace. Answer क्या होगा? Find होगा. So second question is columns option divides, column option divides or document into or more columns. So here the answer is columns. 3 option is there: tab, columns and headers. Answer is columns. Next question, the selected text can be shifted. The selected text can be shifted half inch, can be shifted half inch. Yes, so here the selected text can be shifted half inch, can be shifted half inch away from the yes ma'am. The selected text can be shifted from half inch, away from the left margin using increase button now fourth one is using increase button. Fourth one is the size button is present on page layout the size button is present on page layout tab. The size button is present on page layout tab. Fifth, to move paragraph or line to a specific number of places. Inserting feature is used. Inserting feature is used. To move paragraph or line to a specific number of places, inserting feature is used. So in this way your MCQ is also completed. So that's all for today. Remaining thing we will discuss in the next class.